Hello everybody, this is Christy Payne with Big V Honeybee. I have this lovely little swarm that I caught in Claremore a few days ago in my little swarm box right here. We're going to take it and we're going to put it into a regular hive here. It's a pretty simple process. I've already smoked them, so all we have to do is unscrew the lid and put them in their new box. Should be pretty simple if we run into any snags. Hopefully we won't. Cross our fingers. Wow. Looks like they've been busy. See, those are the girls in the lid. Let's just step back over here and see what we have. We might have to cut some comb. I'm not real sure. Let's take them out and find out. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Doesn't look like we'll have to cut any off of that one. Oh. Nope, we got a piece right there we're going to need to cut. No big deal though. Whoop. We will place this comb in just a moment. Not a whole lot. We do have a little bit. Some bait right there. Get the rest of this bait out here. There's quite a few bees left in here. We're gonna have to knock them into the box after we fit this comb. So I got this little frame, rubber bands, all ready to go. All we gotta do is put the comb in the frame, and then we can knock the rest of the bees in the box. Seal it up. We'll be good to go. Take that. That's just the little bitty pieces. We'll just leave that on top. So, here. There's a lot of bees still in there. We're just gonna knock them in here. One, two, three, and should have got most of them. It did. There's still a few left, so we're just going to leave the box open. And they'll probably crawl in. If not, there's several other hives around here that they could go into. Just gonna put that box top on there like that. Right there. We'll give them some food in a little bit, and then that's it. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching.